Hello everybody, today I am playing Subway Surfers Gorilla Tag version. So, I got my good old friends Venom VR and TTT VR. Come over here, TTT.
Yeah, sorry.
The buff monkey.
Come in the
Now,
TTT clan.
Venom, tag me. Okay.
I need that Venom.
So. Venom. Alright.
I'll smoke you with them.
Arr! Why is he after me?
You're the closest to me. What do you think I'm gonna do then?
Don't. No, how did you? You weren't even close to me. Oh my gosh. No, you can't go off tracks or rope.
Buildings?
Alright, you can go on rope, then juke me landing on tracks.
Can I go on buildings?
No.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't. That's not how the minigame works. Run, brother! Run! Okay. Come on! Why me? Alright.
We're restarting now.
Alright, guys. Everyone got tagged. Reset. And we're doing 5 rounds. And also, I got tagged last time, so somebody else is gonna have to be tagged. So you, Venom.
What? His name is Venom?
Yeah, Venom VR.
Got it. Let me make a vid. 3, 2, 1. Welcome to our video. Bro, I think we're on the same line. Don't jump on this line. Got you!
No! Why me?
Tell me to restart. Guess what? I'm in the TTT clan. And I might supposed to go easy or hard in the game.
Come on, let me rope juke him. Oh! No! Monkey. You can rope juke. You know that, right? Alright. After this is the last round. And then the video's over.
No, mine is not.
So, everyone, come down.
My vid is not over.
Alright, Venom, you're not tagger. TTT is. So tag him when he gets here. Stop acting like a tornado, please. Around the world. You motherfucker! Alright, TTT, you're tagger.
Ankles, and it's small place. Ankles. I break your ankles so hard.
Alright, get inside of this box. And when we go R. As soon as we go that means go, okay?
No, I say.
R, har, hur. Do, 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 do.
I'm behind you.
Why are you only targeting me? I broke your ankle so hard.
What do you say?
Oh! Ah!
Bro, I'm not Psycho Harvard.
Wow, you broke my ankle so hard.
I got hard mode.
Tag him, not me. Stop aiming for me.
I do this like
No! Alright, that concludes the round. Everyone got tagged. So, thank you guys for watching. Everybody say goodbye.
Bye, guys.
Me. Please subscribe.